Kohl's shares plummeted more than 25% in early trading Thursday after the company posted weaker than expected earnings. Boeing's CEO and other top leaders are scheduled to meet with the Federal Aviation Administration to present its safety plan. The reading came in significantly lower than fourth quarter GDP, which was revised up to 3. The airline is underperforming its competitors and has cut its profit outlook. Sales are struggling and the CEO is leaving after just 4 months on the job. Nissan and the NHTSA are warning drivers of older Nissan vehicles that still have recalled Takata airbags not to drive until the airbags are repaired and replaced due to safety risks. C3.ai stock rose after the software maker reported a smaller than expected fiscal Q4 loss while revenue topped estimates. Key earnings movers include Best Buy's, Salesforce, Pure Storage, and Okta. Hopes for interest rate cuts this year by the Federal Reserve are steadily fading, with a stream of recent remarks by Fed officials underscoring their intention to keep borrowing costs high as long as needed to curb persistently elevated inflation. After weeks of discussions, BHP fails to acquire Anglo American due to concerns over the fate of South African assets. Another low-cost electric vehicle is headed to the US. The pharmacy chain announced price cuts on items such as vitamins, hygiene products are, toothbrushes, pain relief patches, hand cream, and mini pretzels. Tesla is facing increasing pushback from investors regarding its bid to reinstate Elon Musk's $55 billion pay package. For decades, nuclear power has been the largest source of clean energy in the United States, accounting for 19% of total energy produced last year. The new ETH-based investment vehicles could hit the market in June, one analyst suggests. Southwest Airlines says it has resolved what it calls a brief technology issue that delayed many of the carrier's flights Wednesday afternoon. Stop & Shop will make some difficult decisions to close select underperforming store locations to help ensure the long-term health and future growth for our business, a spokesperson. The JP Morgan Chase boss likened some private credit deals stamped by the rating agencies to shoddy mortgages. America's young men have stopped working. One reason for the rise in joblessness, our broken unemployment system, is stopping them from getting hired. Companies that refinance between this year and 2030 will pay an additional $381 billion in interest costs thanks to the rapid spike in borrowing costs. Cracker Barrel is eyeing several changes, including new menu items and store remodeling to entice new diners and offset some of its losses since the COVID pandemic. Arguments over safety and Sam Altman's leadership spill back into public domain as artificial intelligence startup hit by resignations. Even with the tough economic environments, Costco's traffic has continued to grow consistently on an annual basis. Analysts believe it's benefiting from its membership model,